Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As of now, we are working with variables. Now our next topic is constant. Okay. As of now, we are working with variables with help of data keyword and parameters keyword. We have seen so many programs with help of data keyword and parameters keyword. Now our topic is constant. So what is constant? Constant means whose value will not change throughout the program. Okay. We declared one object and throughout the program the value will not change. If the value we have declared first as 1, if we have declared the value as 1, then throughout the program, in the entire program, it will not change. It will strict to 1 only. Okay. How to declare constant statement? With help of constants keyword. Okay. Similar to data keyword. Okay. Data, we are declaring variables, right? Data v1. Similarly for parameters, we are declaring p1. Same constants c1 we can declare. Why we are giving v1, p1, c1? It is just for naming convention. Okay, not it's like v1 is mandatory. It's just for naming convention. v1 is for variable, p1 is for parameters variable, and c1 is for constant. You can give any value, any variable, any name to the variable. Okay. So let's see an example for constants. I hope you understand the concept of controlled structure. Okay. We'll comment it out this section and we'll write our program for constant. Now, we declared one constant c1 of length 10 and type C, type character, and value we have directly assigned in the same statement only, RAM. Okay, with help of constants keyword. What is the keyword used to declare constant? Constants. Okay. Now we will write the result of C1. We will save the code. We'll check syntax. We'll activate. And we will execute. What is the value? RAM. RAM is the constant. Now, as I said, the value will not change throughout the program. Okay. The value will not change throughout the program. Suppose I want to now change the value of C1 is equals to okay. Let's see what we are getting. Can you comment? What is the result of this program? We'll check syntax. We will get error. C1 cannot be modified because it is a constant. The field C1 cannot be modified because it is a constant. So constants cannot be modified. If we declare the constant and given the value once, then it will not change throughout our program. We cannot change the value of the constant. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.